Shoving off this time with a tune called Isn't This a Lovely Day to Be Caught in the Rain? Tinkle, tinkle, go the raindrops, I'm cozy and warm. Tinkle, tinkle, go the raindrops, isn't this a peachy storm? Hey, it's a lovely day to be caught in the rain. You were going on your way, then it started to rain. Just as you were going, leaving me on at sea, clouds broke, they broke, and oh, what a break for me. I can see the moon on high, though we're caught in a storm. And I can see where you and I could be cozy and warm. Let the rain pitter-patter, 'cause it really doesn't matter if the skies are gray. Long as I can be with you, it's a lovely day. Now, don't you think that it's a lovely day to be caught in the rain? Baby, you were going calmly on your way, and then it started to rain. Maybe you'll like me, and possibly I'll like you. Then we could just share a sweet parasol for two. Say, I can see the moon on high, though we're caught in a storm. And I can see where you and I could be cozy and warm. Let that rain pitter-patter, 'cause it really doesn't matter if the skies are gray. Long as I can be with you, it's a lovely day. Drip, drip, bloop, bleep. Wonder what the L.A. Chamber of Commerce is going to say about all this.